When setting up the extension ladder, always make sure that the bottom of the ladder is on a stable base. So if the ground around where you're working is sand or mud, make sure you put a large enough piece of plywood like this, where it will cover the whole area of the feet plus extra, giving it a nice solid base. The next thing to remember is every 4 feet up, you need to be 1 foot away from the wall. So in this case, this is a 12-foot extension ladder, and we are 3 feet away at the base of the ladder. If you are less than 3 feet away on a 12-foot ladder, it can cause the ladder to become unstable and shift side to side very easily. The other thing to remember is when the extension ladder is extended, you must maintain a 3 to 4 foot overlap on ladders that are under 48 feet tall. When setting up the base of the ladder, some ladders will come with adjustable feet, making it easier to level the ladder on uneven ground. If the ground is uneven and you do not have a ladder that has adjustable feet, an option is to just place one block of wood that is much larger than the foot of the ladder. Place the foot in the center of that piece of wood so that if the ladder were to shift slightly, the foot will not come off. Never ever put 2 pieces of material under 1 foot of ladder. The issue with this is that one of these pieces can shift from the other one when you're up on the ladder, or the pieces of material can topple over sideways. So never use more than 1 piece of material to level the ladder on uneven ground. When working off of the ladder, you always must maintain 3 points of contact. So your 2 legs, 1 hand off, put the other hand off, take the leg off. And if you need to work off here, always have somebody on the ground to pass you anything up that you need, but always maintaining the 3 points of contact. And probably the most important safety of all when using an extension ladder, when you're using it, never lean over more than an arm's distance to the left or to the right. If you have to reach farther over, come down the ladder, slide it over, and go back up. Leaning over on the ladder too far when you're reaching can shift the ladder the way you are leaning, causing it to come down and can cause severe injury.